So we've got a little problem over here. Hit the irrigation. Got to hook it back up there and come around this way. It's right over there. Need an adapter to put a 90 on this, so we went and got that. So here we go. The fix is in. All right. The pipe came out of that 90 right there, so we've got to go back under the sidewalk, get a piece in there, and spin it as we put primer on it, and then put glue on it and shove it into that 90. I'm gonna try to put some primer on that 90 in just a second. No fun. All right, we got our pipe back into the 90, and we'll move to the other side. Here, run this over to there. We'll have this puppy hooked up in a minute. You have to dig it out on the right side so you can pull it out soon. There you go. Yep. Do a good job, Margo. You're going global. Everybody in the whole world is gonna be able to see you.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, YouTube's everywhere, man.
In
People
Mexico?
watch my videos in 15 other countries.
In Mexico too?
Yeah. A couple people. This is my friend. There you go. It's inside?
Yes.
You sure?
Sí, señor.
Well, be sure now.
Wait 20 minutes.
I don't think so.
All right.
All right. Let's cover it up.